You don't like the apps that comes with the Samsung UI, or maybe you want more customization in your device. Well, say goodbye to your stock ROM. In this video, I'm gonna install custom ROM in your Samsung Galaxy J5. To install any custom ROM, custom recovery must be installed on a device. So guys, as you can see, I'm using Samsung Galaxy J5. Now I'm gonna boot my device into the recovery mode by pressing volume up, power key and home key simultaneously. Guys, if you don't know how to install custom recovery in Samsung Galaxy J5, then check the card here. Now my device is boots up into the recovery mode. As you can see, I am using Orange Fox recovery. Now wait. First of all, we need to wipe the system and the data file. So I'm gonna select this Dalvik cache data and system. Guys, do not select internal storage. If you select internal storage, your data will be deleted from the internal memory. Now wipe is successful. Go back, tab on file. So guys, here is my custom ROM file. You can download this file from the description link. Now just swipe to install this. Guys, installation might take quite a while, so I'm gonna fast forward the video. Installation is now successful. Go back and tap here, tap on reboot, tap on system. Now my device will be rebooted in few minutes. Guys, it first boot might take quite a while. Don't worry, it's normal. So I'm gonna fast forward the video. My device is now booted successfully. Guys, Ancient OS is fairly a new custom ROM in the Android world, but it got a pretty good traction. Ancient ROM developers added a tons of customization for the system, status bar, button, gestures, lights and many more. But their primary focus has always been on the stability of the ROM. Let me show you the Android version of this ROM. So guys, as you can see, my device is running on Android 10 and the security patch level is September 5, 2020. Every custom ROM offers features which are not found in the stock Android. This ROM also provides the customization feature by which you can customize your phone in your own way. Guys, you will explore all the features of this ROM while using the operating system. Let me show you some of them. This ROM also supports the ambient display. We can enable always on ambient display, or we can choose ambient display when new notification is received. This ROM comes with individual animation menu. We can disable or enable the animations, or we can choose or adjust the animation speed, and we can also customize the animation type. There is also a gaming mode, which is enabled automatically when you launch any game. Not only that, the game booster tries to clear out the entire occupied RAM. Dark mode is a feature that allows you to switch the color theme of an app or a whole operating system to black. So guys, this ROM also supports the dark mode. You can enable or disable the dark mode, or you can schedule the dark mode on sunset or sunrise. Guys, VIA Browser is pre-installed on this ROM. VIA Browser is a very lightweight, fast and customizable browser. It doesn't feel like a mini browser at all. You can easily install GUI apps over this ROM to use Google applications. You can also download the GApps from the description box. Both the cameras are working fine in this ROM. As you can see, back camera is working fine and the front one is also working. And there are many other applications which are pre-installed on this ROM. As you can see, music player, and there is also a message application. This is a very advanced messaging application. You can restore and backup your messages from here. So guys, the impression of mine is very positive for this custom ROM. We appreciate the developers and kudos to the developers who made this possible and made this unique and fast custom ROM. Guys, if you are facing any error or bug while using this ROM, do let me know in the comment section so that it may help out other users as well. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.